Hi everyone, I am Dr. Pala and welcome to this new session. और आज हम देखेंगे GS2 के रिसोर्सेज और सिलेबस को एक एक करके डिकोड करेंगे और उससे रिलेटेड रिसोर्सेज देखेंगे. So let's begin. So I have in front of me the syllabus of GS2. GS2 के सिलेबस में सबसे पहला जो टॉपिक लिखा हुआ है वो है इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, हिस्टोरिकल अंडरपिनिंग्स, एवोल्यूशन, फीचर्स, अमेंडमेंट, सिग्निफिकेंट प्रोविजंस एंड बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. So all this is in the great book named Lakshmikant. So this is Lakshmikant and I think you will read this n number of times for prelims. And before means you can have a look at it once to refresh your memory. And I think जो basic polity वाला area है वो लक्ष्मीकांत से cover हो जाएगा. Now comes the second part. That is there are different words written in the syllabus. डिफरेंट वर्ड्स है जैसे सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स या जैसे सेलियंट फीचर्स ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एक्ट. तो ये सब वर्ड्स जो हैं वो आपको प्रिपेयर करने पड़ेंगे अलग से, बिकॉज लक्ष्मीकांत इज अ बुक विच इज़ मोर इंक्लाइंड टूवर्ड्स प्रीलिम्स एंड लेस टूवर्ड्स मेंस. तो वो सब चीज़ें जो भी अलग अलग वर्ड्स थे वो मैंने प्रिपेयर किए थे इन नोट्स में. आई विल स्कैन दिम एंड अपलोड दिम. सो आई हैव रिटन एवरीथिंग हियर. जैसे CAG का रूल क्या है. सो इवन फॉर सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स इट इज मेंशन्ड हियर. दिस यू कैन डू विथ लाइक देयर आर 2 ways to do it. So I for polity I came across a book. A friend of mine recommended it to me and this is but I don't know if it is still available in the market or not. I don't think it is. So this is what I had got. These are the books by Shubhra Ranjan ma'am. And these are like 2-3 volumes of this book. And what this book has is that it is very nice. It has questions and it has answers. So and the questions and answers are given in a very nice format. जहाँ पे underline है, bold है, सब कुछ है. So although there are a lot of questions, but इसमें से जो भी मुझे important लग रहा था वो मैंने अपने रजिस्टर में नोट डाउन किया था. आई थिंक दिस इज द ओनली एरिया फॉर GS वेयर आई हैव मेड लाइक नोट्स ऑन पेपर. तो इसमें भी मैंने सेपरेटली बनाया हुआ है. जुडिशरी का अलग सेक्शन है, अलग अलग सेक्शंस हैं इसमें भी. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड. बट वन मोर थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज दैट जो भी ये टॉपिक है जस्ट गो टू गूगल में आप वो पूरा का पूरा टॉपिक लिखें और उसके आगे लिख दें UPSC and there you will get n number of results और उसमें से कोई भी एक रिजल्ट लें and just copy it down. So you should have further material ready for almost all the topics. Apart from that, for polity, I again use OneNote for value addition. Here in OneNote, as you can see, I had made a GS2 polity notebook. And in that polity notebook, I had divided the entire thing into like as per the syllabus into different areas. And those different areas में मैंने जो भी value addition दिख रहा था वो लिख दिया. सब कुछ ही लिख दिया जो भी मिल रहा था किसी चीज़ से related. And last में you can see here that I have mentioned the cases, जो भी important cases हैं. And ये तो मैंने एकदम memorize कर लिए थे, एकदम रट लिए थे cases, because cases are something that add weight and value to your answers. So this is how I did GS2 का polity portion. Now coming on to the next portion, that is governance, which includes development processes, development industries, NGOs, SHGs. So ये सब मैंने पढ़ा है vision के value added material से. For this I could like only find the social justice one. तो social justice और governance के लिए ये material आता है vision का value addition material. Comes in different parts. You will get it at any photocopy shop. And apart from that, for governance, initially I had read the Vajiram and Ravi yellow book. Use one resources and stick to it. मतलब आप change नहीं करें अपने resources बार बार, because if you change it, it will take a lot more time to clear this exam. So next comes the again the social justice part, that is social sector services related to health, education, human resources. All this gets covered in society also. And this is to be one thing I forgot to mention is that all these things need to be supplemented with your Mains 365. So Mains 365 comes for all subjects. Like this one is for polity, this one is an old one, but for social issues and international relations and everything, you need to supplement it with Mains 365. I said in the previous video that in GS1 I had clubbed the society portion of GS1 and GS2, and उसमें ही मैंने ये topics भी note down कर लिए थे. And for every topic I had a huge amount of data, introductions, conclusions, quotations, everything ready. So you can do that as well. Now comes the important aspects of governance, transparency, accountability, e-governance applications. So here again I said that initially I read the Vajiram book and then I read the Vision book. Whichever you find better, you can go for that. Both are almost like, it is either or, don't do both. So then comes the role of civil services in a democracy. So for this topic, this is a must read topic. Questions are being asked in it. इस पे questions mains में भी पूछे जाते हैं, interview में भी पूछ सकते हैं इस पे questions, so इसको definitely पढ़ना है. And here also I use the vision material. 4-5 पेज का एक मटेरियल आता है, रोल ऑफ सिविल सर्विसेज इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. आप गूगल पे टॉपिक टाइप करें, आपको मिल जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज ग्रेट, दैट इज सफिशिएंट. Now comes the topic of international relations. So the thing is that in international relations, my base was prepared in my coaching, that is Vajiram. So what I read alag se for international relations was nothing specific, only current affairs, means 365. And in that what I did was that her country specific, I had made certain points on my OneNote only कि ये भूलना नहीं है. And there's certain topics 1-2 which are not covered in the means 365, and that is I think Indian diaspora. तो ये जो second last topic है, effects of policies, politics of developed and developing countries in India's interests, Indian diaspora. So question was asked in this also. This one I prepared from Google. I took the help of Google and Google करके जो भी material मुझे मिला उसको मैंने save कर लिया था, उसका print out ले लिया था. I did not make notes on it. So this is one extra topic. Important international institutions, ये तो आपने प्रीलिम्स के लिए भी पढ़ा होगा. अगेन अगर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट होगा तो मीन्स 365 करंट अफेयर्स में कवर हो जाएगा. सो इफ आई हैव टू से अबाउट GS2, देन आई थिंक GS2 का काफ़ी सारा पोर्शन इज लाइक कवर्ड इन करंट अफेयर्स. सो इट इज़ वेरी डायनेमिक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस, सोसाइटी, पॉलिटी, एनीथिंग. But just have your base strong of polity by reading this book, and I think the rest of GS2 can be managed easily. Thank you.